To Infinity with VJ. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the key points of the chapter triangles. Two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. If two figures have same shape and same size, then we call it as congruent. For example, if this is a triangle and this is also a triangle of same size, okay, and they have a same shape, okay, like overlap, then we call it as these two figures are congruent. Okay, if this is a triangle and this is a square, then we cannot call it as a congruent because this is a different shape, correct? This is triangle, this is square. Okay, so if two figures are said to be congruent, then they have same shape and same size. If two figures have same shape but not necessarily they have the same size, then they are called it as same figures. Okay, for example, this. See here, these two triangles, triangle A and triangle B, they have same shape. They are triangles, but they are not of same size. This size is small, this size is little bit big, let us take. So then we can call it as these two triangles. They are similar figures. Okay. And next point, that is all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. It looks like, for example, all laddus are sweets, but all sweets are not laddus, like that. Okay. So all congruent figures are similar, they are similar, but similar figures need not be congruent. Example, here itself we can say. Then, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if it should satisfy two conditions. What is that? Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So there, if for example polygons, here let us take triangles. If when we say that two triangles are similar, okay, when their corresponding angles are equal. So their corresponding angles are equal and then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. It should have the same ratio. Next, the important theorem. What is that? The basic proportionality theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. For example, if this is a triangle, let us name this triangle as let us name this triangle as ABC. A, B, C. Then if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, let us take this triangle ABC and let us draw a line DE. Let us draw a line which is parallel to the one side of a triangle, which is parallel to this side. Okay, for this BC side. Then intersect other two sides in a distinct point. Yes, it intersected here and here, correct? In distinct point. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. What they are telling? AD divided by DE, sorry, DB is equal to E divided by EC. Okay. So this basic proportionality theorem will tell you, we will get the result of this. Okay. The two sides are divided in the same ratio. The next theorem, which is a converse of a basic proportionality theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. So if the line, if we draw a line if this line DE divides any two sides of a triangle, this sides AB and EC in the same ratio, if they are giving like this, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Then this line will be parallel to the third side, that is BC. So this is nothing but the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Next, if in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, two triangles are similar. This is nothing but angle, similar criteria, similarity criteria. Okay. Next, another angle criterion, that is, if in two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of other triangle, then two triangles are similar. All this are the similarity, tell you the similarity criterion of a triangles. If in two triangles corresponding sides are in same ratio, then the corresponding angles are equal and hence two triangles are similar. Okay, again the similarity criterion SSS, side. Okay. If one side of a triangle equal to one angle of another triangle and the sides including these angles are in the same ratio, then triangles are similar. SAS criteria, similarity criteria. What and all, let us see one by one on next video. I hope you understood this key points. If you have any doubts related to this key points, okay, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.